managing. And his second in 5 years. Maldonado drives one down the line and left, and this ball leaves in a hurry. That ball's hit well, deep to left field, all the way back Dickerson. Gone! Home run! This one sent to right field, pretty well hit, but Joey Gallo goes back. He'll look up. This ball's gone! Now 2-2 on Maldonado. The opposing pitcher probably laid one in there, and Hampy put a good swing on it, as does Martin Maldonado, deep to left field. Machete with his third home run of the year. Maldonado crushes one. This one's headed to the Crawford boxes and gone. Maldonado drives one deep to left field, and the Astros put 3 more on the board.